So we're looking at two incredibly good sides who, well, Philippine Army, while they may have been a veteran in the Philippine football scene, medyo matagal na nga sila na naglalaro. Natin. Well, all of the assumptions and all of the speculations are done. We now have kickoff here at the Rizal Memorial Football Stadium. Diaz nakipag-agawan. Tuloy still keeps that ball. Nice through ball here. Can he outplay the keeper? It's an open goal. No! It was an open goal, but Philippine Army Tuloy, and this could be an opportunity to really put themselves ahead. One-on-one. Here it comes. Nice save! Here's the follow-up, and Tuloy gets it on the second try. I think that one right down that lower left side, but after that save, goalkeeper was not able to react quickly enough. Defenders were not there to clean that up. Andun na silang dalawa. Pero naunahan pa rin sila ni Halike. Look at that. There were two players actually. And a shot. Ooh! And unexpectedly, Philippine Army draws it back level. Look at how nicely well it was placed right over the wall and just enough dip to put it under the bar.
Goal for Philippine Army.
And just like the previous game, Jimwell Ariola adds to his tally yet again. What happens if you crack under pressure? Tuloy on that ball right down the midfield, finding a way to get that through. A through ball supposedly. And the shot, ooh, right, rattles the crossbar. There is still plenty of action before this half ends. Looks like Tuloy wants to force the issue. Naughty Nunez finding a pass. It almost, yes, it does. And a shot right from distance. John Henson Diaz with the delivery. Nice and low. Header in. Not on target. And the referee lets the play going. But that's just as far as it would go. Referee has already blown his whistle for halftime. Between these two teams. Philippine Army gets us all going here. Kakampi mo na mag-aabang dyan sa kabilang side. Pero malapit din to. Just enough to get it through. Mahanapan niya lang ng paraan na lumagpas siya sa wall. At bumaba ulit para maging on target. Here it comes now. Opts to shoot. And here it goes! Philippine Army puts themselves ahead here. Nicely done. Let's look at it again. Nicely done, right on target. Keeper almost to it. But Soriano had to help a little bit to direct it and ensure goal for his team. They are a little bit more aggressive as they were compared to the first half. Pero Philippine Army has just been as aggressive defensively. It looks like a counter could be on for them here. Look at that shot blocked. But Army may keep this ball here and a cross could come in right down that right flank. May nakabang sa gitna. Oh! What a scare! Mukhang mahahawakan na sana ni Wally ang bola, but way to the other end. Army tumatakbo pa rin. Not a lot of players, pero hihintayin nilang makabalik ang ibang kakampi. Nicely done. Will it get to it? Ooh! Into the goal! A brace from Jimwell Ariola. I told you to watch out for Besita, and that's exactly why. Really sharp passing from the skipper there. And great reaction from Jimwell Ariola, noticing that the keeper is way out of position. Makaka-unlock ng stern defense ng Philippine Army, and looks like they might be able to find one here. He's on the run with space ahead. Takes that shot. Ooh, and a nice goal to put themselves back here. One goal. Look at this one again. Nice shot from Cyril South. But John Kent de la Riarte able to save that first attempt. But the defenders from Philippine Army just not fast enough. But he has been the busier of the two keepers this afternoon. And Army almost losing that. Almost dropping that ball, but looks like bodies are now on the ground. Dating sa mga attackers at sa mga defenders here. Lalo na pag goalkeeper ka. Let's look at this again here. Nicely weighted pass. Looks like it's the player number 11 who's on the ground. Yasten Lupango. But they were dispossessed by Tuloy. No, looks like they get it back and they move the ball forward now. Will Philippine Army commit more men? We see someone making a run down that right flank and the left flank as well. John Cadiz trying that cross. Uy, hindi niya nakuha. Will he take the shot? Yes, he does, and it's another goal. Under relentless pressure.
The full-time score is
Well, what a game it has been. Such a kicker of a match we've seen. And right at the death, some more action right there. Look at that goal. And just as you thought that Tuloy was able to get it back for them, they were able to step it up. A moment man of the match for this afternoon is the number 27 player, Jimwell Ariola, scoring a brace, being decisive, being a nuisance in front of goal. And we end this contest, Tuloy FC 2, Philippine Army 4, in a spectacular fashion.